environmental cleaning log can be printed off by going up to your browser, print. But it may not be in the way you want, and you may want to cut and paste things out. So you can actually just cut and paste this out into Word. So you just highlight it. So you select it and open up Word, and I've already set this up with a blank page. It's probably easier to make the layout, flip it around, and you just paste it in. So you need to select paste special, not HTML, pick formatted. That allows you to move things around. So there we go. And if this little cross thing here, if you do that and select the table and go into table properties and options, automatically refit, resize to fit. And I'll come back into the page. The other way of doing it is there's a little square down here that allows you to move things around. You can stretch things out. That allows you then to go in and say, well, in this case, the types of cleaning, there's only disinfecting and detergent. Take a photo so you can just get rid of anything that's not applicable. Get rid of that. Shouldn't be there. And you could go waiting room and put it up here. All sorts of things. So it's quite simple to use to just cut and paste things out of Word. If you're having trouble with it, give Glenda a ring. I'm always around, well, not always around, but I like to help. So try using that, moving your environmental cleaning log out of Smartdentist, keep there as a basic copy, but to play around and have it in the format that you need for your particular situation to get the most out of this, you can just copy and paste it into Word.